Hey, welcome back to HATV, and this is another episode of unboxing episode, and we are here at Talaga Beach Resort in Manamrag, San Andres, Catanduanes. Ngayon magkakaroon tayo ng unboxing. Meron akong dalawang tent na binili, and it's Lazada versus Shopee. So eto, magkano ba to? This is for 684 pesos. I bought this in Lazada. It came to me 2 weeks after ko siyang i-purchase. So dapat sana gagawin na namin to last summer, but then nagkaroon ng quarantine season, so that's why hindi natin to nabuksan. And another thing is we bought this one from Shopee for 689 pesos. Nagde-difference lang siya ng 5 pesos. Mas mahal yun sa Shopee. But then again, it's all about the use of the product at saka yung durability nito. So meron tayo dito ngayon si Xiao ang magre-represent. Si Xiao magre-represent ng Lazada, and si Rubay ay magre-represent ng Shopee. So let's go ahead and let's do the unboxing, at kailangan din nila itong i-set up. Alright guys, so ayan, na-set up nila yung dalawang tent. Again, this one is from Lazada, at yung isa, kita natin din, that one is from Shopee. So again, thank you so much for subscribing. Yung mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, go ahead and subscribe my channel, HATV, for more unboxing videos. Hit that subscribe button and bell button. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment it down below. I'm going to put the descriptions, yung mga yung mga stores kung saan ko siya nakuha. So kung nagkaroon din kayo ng mga tent na katulad nito at sa tingin nyo is mas napamahal pa ako sa pagbili, just comment it down below, share it to me. And if you like this video, go ahead and share it to your friends and share it on your Facebook and other social media accounts. Sa tingin ko, mas maganda yung sa Lazada, mas malaki. Kasi meron siya bubong din dito. At dun sa Shopee wala. So hindi natin masyadong masyadong mainit. And it can accommodate talaga up to 6 persons. It really can accommodate up to 6 persons. So ganun siya ka-laki.
Ini daing bintana so kayo bong igwa.
But then again, doon naman sa Shopee, punta natin. So this is Lazada. At punta naman natin ito sa Shopee. So makikita nyo, wala siyang bubong or yung singawan dito. Hindi katulad yung sa Lazada na na-purchase natin. At medyo mas maliit siya. Parang short siya ng isang tao. Ano siyang net? So wala siyang kasamang pads dito. So depende kung saan nyo siya isi-set up. Kung sa carpet ba or sa so ayun. Kung makikita nyo, meron din siyang bintana dito. Kabila, masingawan. And then pwede nyo siyang ilak din. Yung nasa Lazada, yung tent sa Lazada is wala siyang ganun. Ang nasa kanya ay yung sa taas, hindi dito sa side. So anyway, parehas siyang may exhaust, and I guess maganda to. Nagdi-differential lang siya ng 5 pesos, but then my personal vote for this is mas maganda yung nabili ko sa store from Lazada. So again, I'm going to put down on the description of the stores kung saan ko siya nabili. Again, thank you so much for watching, and keep on watching my videos. We will be uploading more unboxing videos.